Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 8. How to promote products on JVZoo. In this video, we will see how to promote products on JVZoo, step by step. So let's get started. On JVZoo's official homepage, click on this login button. Here enter your email ID and password to log in. After logging in, go to that Products tab and select Top Sellers from here. Here you can see lists of top sellers today, and open this affiliate details link of the product you choose. Here enter your request message to the vendor for approval, tick this checkbox, fill the CAPTCHA and click on this Request Approval button. After approval, click on this Get Links button, and here is your commission percentage, payout mode, and affiliate link. Copy it from here to start promoting. Now go to Dashboard, then Affiliates tab, and select Find Products from here. Here you can find all the products to promote with the number of copies sold and other details. Let's move to the next page from here, and here also you can see the full list of the products. To search, enter your product's name or keyword like PLR and click Search. Now your list has been updated with all the PLR products. Here you can see their launch dates, click on it to sort it by date. So the recent products are on top. For link, click on this Request Approval button, fill out the form with the message and repeat the above process to get your affiliate link for the product. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 9. How to promote products on ClickBank. In that video, we will see how to promote products on ClickBank, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.